percentage.
Oh, I forgot. In this chapter, you will study about percentage.
Example: turn 15 by 20 into fraction with denominator 100. 15 by 20 is equal to 15 multiplied by 5 over 20 multiplied by 5. Multiply numerator and denominator by 5 is equal to 75 by 100. A percentage is a special kind of fraction which has a denominator 100. 2 by 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10 over 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 by 100 is equal to 20%. 3 by 25 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 over 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 by 100 is equal to 12%. 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Unitary method. Algebra.